Hello guys, so we are in Koide apple farm. See, this is not Manali or Shimla. It's not Himachal. It's in Koide. I think apple is very suitable in our land. You can see lots of apples here. 3 years ago we planted this and now we are going to harvest soon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, it's almost touching the ground. I think this different type. This smaller one. Let's go and see more. You can see more here. Let's zoom in. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. See. Look at this. Look at this. Apples, apples, apples. My mom here, uncle, dad, and grandfather there. So not only apple farming. In the free space we can plant this naga cabbage. Apple, 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 apple. Apple. Let's see. Wow, apple. So let's try apple. Wow, very sweet. I think we should plant more apple. It's very suitable in our land. Hmm. Hmm. We'll go and eat one more apple there. Hai po hai pa ba hin wa, po si bi ta ba hin wa. Ah, po dai. 4 years. So we're going to eat apple. Which one will be the best? Let's try. Ăn rất là hay mà. This apple is new in our village, so people keep tasting, and it's almost gone. Auntie said. Going back. This is beans, crippled beans. So we call this local pig the long nose. Very yummy. And wow, this is cucumber and pumpkin. So I can recognize this one is pumpkin leaf, and this leaf is different. It's cucumber. And this is yam. This is cucumber, I guess. Yes, it's cucumber. And this chutney is very tasty. Sugarcane, corn, cucumber here, pumpkin there, local chicken. Let's see. Passion fruit leaf. Tree tomato plant. Tree tomato.